What's up, YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. Man, sorry I've been MIA the past few days. Friday I had a really big job, and man, I got a lot of good footage on that job. I wish that my phone didn't mess up. I didn't update on my phone, and it erased all those videos. I mean, I cleaned windows, I soft washed, I did cobweb, dirt dauber removal, concrete cleaning. I cleaned their driveway in like 30 minutes. It was incredible. That 8-gallon per minute machine is a rock star, man. But I lost that content. It was a high ticket job. That would have been a really good job to show you with you guys, but I apologize. It was fun, nice cool day. I think the high that day was like 70 degrees. It was raining a little bit, so didn't use one drop of SH on that job. So just used white vinegar. There was a lot of cedar ceilings and shutters, so I didn't want to discolor the cedar at that house, so I just avoided SH altogether, but everything went great. I used my shooter tip to knock down all those cobwebs. 8 gallons per minute hitting, the side of a house is it's gonna be effective. So my shooter tip did a great job. They had a lot of wasp nests, how stubborn they can be, and I used my my telescoping wand with my shooter tip, and I was able to knock those down no problem. One was like, no lie, 45 feet at the peak of the house. It was way up there, and I was able to get it down. So the customer was really happy. I think I made right at $600 on that job. I was there 4 hours. It was a good job. It was fun. I enjoyed it. I went to Rogersville, Arkansas, and put in 2 bids for 2 commercial properties. They're both strip malls, and they need their concrete and their EIFS material soft wash. Both jobs I quoted for $10,500, but I told them if they bundle the jobs together and let me come in one trip, I can do it for 10, and I could probably knock those 2 jobs out in 2 or 3 days. So 2 or 3 days making 10 grand, not bad. So what else? I'm going tomorrow to put a bid in on a little coffee shop here in Tulsa, and commercial world's going pretty well, pretty steady. The residential world's steady. I'm turning down quite a bit of jobs because a lot of people are calling me just to do these little bitty jobs, and if they're not agreeing to my $200 minimum, then I'm just moving on. So it's nice being at that point in my career as a power washer to be able to turn down jobs, So, and that just gives me more time to build the commercial side of my business, which is 90% of what I do now. So I am headed now to spot clean a driveway. This lady has, it looks like transmission fluid stains all over her driveway. And I told her that it's going to be $200 to get all the stains out, to cover chemicals and time, and she agreed to it. And I'm just going to use the degreaser I have this stuff called an oil eater. I'll hit that with a direct application, and then I have some degreaser and white vinegar and some soap. I'm just going to sit there and just scrub it, and then use my turbo nozzle, and it should get all that stuff up no problem. So real easy job, real small job. So I'm just kind of taking it easy right now. I'm not trying to do a whole lot. My wife is like, she's due any day. We have a baby that's going to be here any moment in time. So I'm not going too far. I'm trying not to load down my schedule. So I probably won't have as much content, out. But yeah, I'll just post what I can, do what I can, and we'll go from there. So I'll see y'all here in a little bit at that driveway and kind of show you the process I use to get up, oil, grease, transmission fluid stains, and just show you what it looks like before and after. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so I am at this customer's house, spot cleaning some oil and grease stains. Pretty big stain here. It looks like transmission fluid to me, but they said it's oil. Little spots there. So yeah, $200 job to spot clean. I wore shorts today and my shoes since I'm not using SH. It's always nice. It feels good out today. It's like 60 degrees, 68 degrees, something like that. So I was going to show you guys what I use on oil, grease, transmission fluid stains. So I use this Zep. It's an industrial degreaser. I mix it with this other Zep stuff for driveway and concrete cleaning. Mix that together with a surfactant that just holds it in place, just like SH. And people are like, man, why don't you use SH, man, when you clean it up oil and grease? Well, let me ask you something. Is oil and grease organic growth? It is not, so it's not going to do anything. So SH is for algae, mold, mildew, things of that nature, okay? So oil and grease is not organic growth. You're going to have to rely on a degreaser, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to fill up this spray bottle. I'm going to go hit those spots, let it sit for a little bit, put another application on there, and then scrub it. Have a scrub brush back there I need to go grab. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a little bit. All right, guys, I got my mix made. So I'm gonna start spraying. Got this nice industrial spray bottle here. Spray it on there. You need soap, just like SH, so you can let it sit there, do its thing. I do see a tire mark, so hopefully I'll get that up too. This stuff works pretty well, especially when you scrub it. Alright guys, so I've let the degreaser sit there for about 20 minutes. I've scrubbed every spot. I keep a 50-foot hose in my cab, along with a few other things on these small jobs. Got some basic chemicals here. I keep my wands in here, some fittings, my toolbox, yard sign. Oh, okay, just fall out. That's my Max Clean surfactant for roof wash. Let me show you. So that's pretty good, man. Anyways, guys, this setup right here can make you a lot of money. I can do a lot of work with just this setup. You know, obviously I have my trailer with some bigger equipment, hot water and all that, but you can do just fine with this. Especially this machine here, 4 gallon per minute belt drive. Obviously I have a different surface cleaner. I have a 20-inch North Star that goes with this system here. I bought this ladder, guys, at Home Depot. It was on sale for $28. Originally, I think it was like $150. And when I saw that, I was like, I have to get it. So, you know, for roof washing, things like that, weird angles, I can just grab that and use it. I have a 28-foot ladder as well. Anyways, I don't know if I showed y'all this new platform I built. It's a little bit more stable than the pallet I had. So, all right, anyways, back to this job. You know when you just work hard on something and you're just proud of it? I'm proud of my little truck set up there. So, got these spots greased down. Got my turbo nozzle on here. This is a new one. I keep getting calls every time I try to make a video. So I put my degreaser on there, let it sit, scrubbed it. So now I'm gonna go around, hit it with my turbo nozzle and see what it looks like. Joe Deary, I have not cranked this machine in a week. Let's see what happens. Looking good so far, fellas. All that oil and grease is up. That big circle is gone. Got all the oil and grease up there. Like I said, I did a little upsell. I just went ahead and just cleaned this square here for her, just so everything looks cleaned, because you could tell I was only hitting certain spots. It just didn't look good to me. I want my work to look good and uniformed, so I just, hey, for 50 extra bucks, I'll just surface clean this section here, because down there really isn't that dirty. I don't know if she got that done recently or what, but you could tell someone kind of surface cleaned that area. I don't know. I'm about to rinse everything off, but I was going to show you all these stains are gone. It looks good. What's up, guys? So I figured I'd add this segment to the video. So I just left a coffee shop doing an estimate, and I want to show you a tool that I use to stay organized, to do estimates on the go. I don't have to worry about waiting till I get home, you know, to do these estimates. I can use this tool to, you know, utilize Google Earth, send emails, you know, things of that nature. So I just went and looked at the job. I've been texting the owner. He said, hey, shoot me an estimate. Here's my email. So putting together an estimate over your phone is difficult. You know, a lot of times making them wait till you get home, till you get a computer, you know, I don't like doing that. So when I do an estimate and they say, hey, go ahead and send it to me, I like to do it right then and there. So I'll show you guys the tool. Guys, so this is a Surface Go. It's touchscreen. I connect to my personal hotspot on my cell phone, so I have internet. You know, I utilize this for Google Earth to send estimates, email, whatever I need to do. So this is my estimate form. This is the template I use. Has my logo. You know, I state this an estimate form, my information, the customer's name, the address I'm going to, a broken down estimate, you know, per price for per service, and then the total. And if they accept my bid, all they have to do is sign that and send it back to me. And then that lets me know that, hey, they want to move forward. So this Surface Go, I mean, it lasts 4 or 5 hours, you know. So if I go do an estimate, you know, like I said, the customer probably wants that estimate pretty soon. They don't want to wait around. So I just did an estimate for this coffee shop. So I'm going to stop what I'm doing. I'm at Home Depot. I got to pick up a few things, but I'm going to go ahead and just throw this estimate together, send it to him. You know, the faster I get an answer, the faster I can plan, get chemicals lined up, plan for it to come out. You know, I just think it's professional to give them a quick answer, a quick bid, you know, then a quick turnaround to where you can you know, do the job. So yeah, I'll probably be doing this job here later this week along with another commercial job, but I will definitely show you guys how I clean this this coffee shop. It's got salt deposits dripping down, and F9 has this chemical I have to order to get those salt deposit, those stains off. So anyways, guys, I'll show you, I'll let you know if I get that job, which I think I will. And also offered a free concrete cleaning around the coffee shop. It's one of those coffee shops where it's just a drive-through. You can't go in or anything, just a quick coffee to go. It's not a lot of concrete, but I just told him, hey man, you're a new commercial client. I'll knock out this concrete for free. So it'll take literally 20 minutes to do. So anyways, just want to show you this Surface Go. It saves me a lot of time, keeps me organized. I can take pictures with it, videos, whatever, and you know, upload it to YouTube. It's quick, it's efficient, and I always keep it with me. So all right, guys, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on those 2 commercial jobs. Like I said, the first one's going to be this coffee shop if I get it, and the second one's going to be a soft wash on some EIFS at a medical center, and I'll be doing that on Saturday.